Children, let's continue our third chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 29. Today we discuss about frying. What is frying? Frying is the cooking of food in fat, such as butter or vegetable oil. Frying adds fat and calories to food because the food absorbs some of the fat in the pan. There are three main methods of frying. First one is deep frying, then pan frying, then stir frying. In deep frying, a large amount of fat is heated in a heavy saucepan or an electric appliance called a deep fryer. The hot fat completely covers the food. Deep frying is a popular way of cooking chicken, french fried, potatoes and shrimp. Shrimp means one sea animal. Then in pan frying. In pan frying, the food cooks in a small amount of fat, usually in a skillet. Skillet means, children, one type of frying pan. Pulses, potatoes, vegetables, chicken, eggs and fishes are often pan fried. Turn the next page, children. In stir frying, meat or vegetables cook in a skillet or in a wok. Wok means a large thin metal pan with a round bottom. The food is cut into small pieces and cooked in an extremely small amount of fat. The cook fries the food at a high temperature for only a few minutes and stirs it constantly with a tossing motion. So children, there are three types of frying: deep frying, pan frying and stir frying. For deep frying, we need a large amount of fat. For pan frying, we need a small amount of fat. But for stir frying, we need extremely small amount of fat. So clear about frying. Then comes to boiling. Boiling is cooking food in boiling water, which has a temperature of about 100 degrees Celsius. In boiling, air bubbles rise to the surface of the water and break. Potatoes and other vegetables are often boiled in a saucepan over a burner. Then next class we discuss about simmering and steaming. This much for today. Thank you.